Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mask Monday, and I am going to do this banana milk mask. Let's get it started. And I have done different products from this brand before, and I do like them. And it's nourishing is what this says. That's what I need. This is the brand Apieu, A''Pieu. You can see it right there. Okay, let's see. So it is Valentine's week, y'all. So this just looks really milky. And, ooh, it smells like banana. Oh, I love that. Okay. So what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? I have a really fun, I hope it'll be really fun. It was fun to me, a really fun collab coming up tomorrow for Valentine's Day. And in this collab will be Sue from Reviews with Sue and Kim from Kim's A Little of a Lots. And we are excited. It's something fun and different just for something fun. So we thought we would do that, and that'll be tomorrow. And of course, we'll have giveaways, of course. This is a very nice sheet mask. It doesn't feel rough at all. Oh, I love the smell of the banana. It smells like banana candy, like banana taffy. Oh, it's cold though. It is cold. It has been very dreary here. Very dreary. These eye holes are very big. And the sun just came out a little bit ago, so I'm happy to see it. It's, very wintry still, but in the meantime, lots of things are blooming around here too. We've had some very spring-like weather, and then we go back to cold. That's how spring is. It comes and goes, but it'll be here before you know it. Well, I'm having a little bit of trouble. This just seems a little warped. These eye holes are way too big. And I always have trouble fitting around my nose. Do y'all have that trouble? Trying to get it on my nose? And this, of course, doesn't want to stay. So what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Now, being that it's on a Tuesday this year, isn't the best for romance for people going out. I'm sure a lot of people will still go out on Tuesday after work or whatever. Or if you don't work or you're off or something. Whoops, I'm trying to reach for this. And I knocked the whole jar over. I have pens and things in there. Then maybe you could even go for lunch, So I got married on Valentine's Day many years ago. And we went out for a very fancy meal afterwards. It was a very small wedding, and I did wear a wedding dress and all that, but not a fancy, like with a train or anything. It was just a few friends. And then, it wasn't a big celebration kind of a thing. It wasn't a big wedding because I was older and my family's not here and a bunch of other things. So we went out for a steak meal because that's what my husband wanted. And we changed clothes. And I carried my bouquet. So, we walked into the restaurant and I had my bouquet. And of course, a lot of the women have flowers because their husbands had given them flowers. So, but mine was a bouquet. So people were asking me about it and they were all, we just got married and they were all so nice to us. So we had a good time. But that was a long time ago. So, but I do what do you guys like to do? I do like to go out on Valentine's Day if I'm in a relationship. I definitely like to do that. I know, a lot of people like to stay home, and that's fine too, and especially on being on a Tuesday. Maybe a lot of people would have already done their Valentine this past weekend or the following weekend. But I like a nice date, a date night. A nice date night, and somewhat dressy. Dress up a little bit, go somewhere nice. I like to receive flowers, and I like to receive the candy heart. I like the works, What about y'all? I mean, who doesn't like the works? I do. I did get some friend mail, So I'm going to open that now. I got a card from Unboxings with Wendy. Jean sent me a card. And thank you, Wendy. I did cut the top open to get in there easier. And this is beautiful. How pretty is that? May your Valentine's Day be especially blessed. Oh, she fooled me. Well, those all fell out. Let me show you. It says, may your Valentine's be especially blessed with all that makes you happiest. Happy Heart Day. Blessings, Wendy Jean. Thank you, Wendy Jean. That's so sweet. And when I opened the card, all these fell out. These beautiful hearts fell out. So I'm going to try to pretty. Thank you, Wendy Jean. That's so sweet. I love that. I love that. Those hearts are so pretty. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I tell you, y'all, I'm just so far behind on everything. I don't even remember what holidays are what anymore. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. But here, as I'm sitting and it was about, I'm going to have to cut that because that is just sitting here. If I can find, I dropped everything over here. So let's see. Yeah. This feels good. I will say this mask feels very good. It does feel nourishing, but it is not wanting to stay on very well. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. I do like it though. You know, and I always forget to look at the time for it. Let's see what it says, if I can see it. It's all in Korean on the back. Banana milk 1-pack. There's a lot of nice essence still in here. Y'all can see it's all in Korean. Usually though, you can see, all right, there I see it, 10 to 20 it says. So, okay. So it does feel good. It is moisturizing. I feel it working on me. So that was so lovely. Thank you, Wendy Jean. That's beautiful. And while I'm sitting here about ready to film, I get a phone call that someone's at, and they say that they're almost in my driveway. And a friend dropped this off for me, y'all. Look at how beautiful that is. This is a cupcake. Look at that box. Let's open it up and look at it because it looks too pretty to eat. It's on I don't know how I even am going to get it out of there without damaging it. Look at how gorgeous it is. It's a bouquet of roses. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get it out of there. I'll have to probably rip the whole box. But look at that. It's a cupcake. How nice to be thought of. Thank you. So thank y'all so much for just being here and being dear friends to me. And it means so much to me. And Wendy, just, you know, for taking the time to send a card. It's so pretty. And I appreciate that so much, y'all. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I hope that you'll like my collab with Kim and Sue. We really, you know, it's something that we've never done before. So hopefully it'll make everybody laugh and you'll have a good time and enter our giveaways and enjoy it. So that's what, you know, we just want to, you know, give back to y'all because y'all make us happy. So that really is about all I have. I have to work on Valentine's Day, which I think most of us do. So maybe, who knows, maybe something will happen at work. Maybe we'll, you know, sometimes we get lunch together or something. Usually about once a week, we order lunch together and, you know, so that we can sit and gab and whatever. So we might do something like that. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm going to leave this on a little bit longer. And it feels really good. Now where it's, you know, it's setting very nicely on my face. It just wouldn't, you know, I always have trouble here. I think most of us do. If I wasn't talking, it would have been just fine probably. So it feels good. I'm going to leave it on a little bit because like I said, I need this nourishing. So, and banana milk, yummy. I love banana milk. I love bananas. I am a banana person and I also love milk. And I know a lot of people don't love milk, but I do. I have milk every day. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. A happy Valentine's Day to you and your family and your loved ones. And I wore my red ears for the occasion. I couldn't find a red t-shirt. I don't think I have one. I mean, I do. I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I have an Alabama t-shirt that's red. But anyway, y'all take care. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.